Trying to pair your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 with an Android phone, but the connection just refuses to work. Sometimes the Galaxy Fit 3 appears during setup and suddenly disappears, while other times the watch stays disconnected even after repeated attempts. Many users also notice syncing problems where notifications, health tracking, or app features stop working because the device never connects properly. This issue usually happens because of Bluetooth conflicts, app permission settings, pairing interruptions, or temporary syncing problems between the fitness tracker and the Android device. Whether you recently changed phones or are connecting the Galaxy Fit 3 for the first time, these are the steps you can try to fix this and reconnect your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 properly. 1. Turn Bluetooth off and back on again from your Android phone settings before retrying the connection. 2. Restart both the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and the Android phone to refresh pairing services. 3. Open the Samsung Wearable app and remove any previous Galaxy Fit 3 connection if listed. 4. Place the Galaxy Fit 3 into pairing mode and reconnect it through the Wearable app carefully. 5. Confirm the connection by checking notifications or sync activity after setup finishes.